Countries that have lifted COVID-19 public restrictions are now facing new challenges due to the Delta variant, with unvaccinated people mostly affected. Joselito Liquido tells us the details live. Joselito, what are these countries?
Mariel, the Israeli government is beginning to reimpose some COVID-19 restrictions and rethink strategy as a new surge of Delta variant spreads across the country, ending its 4-week return to normal life. Israel Prime Minister Naftali Bennett calls the new strategy a soft suppression and asks Israelis to learn to live with COVID, in spite of the fact that the country had driven down coronavirus infections and death due to its rapid vaccination program that covered more than half of its population. However, countries that have very low vaccination rate and have eased public restrictions, such as South Korea and Australia, are also dealing with new outbreaks. South Korea has been steady increase of COVID-19 cases from 1,378 on Friday to 1,615 Wednesday, forcing the government to tighten social distancing rules once again. Such is also the case in Australia, where majority of the population is still unvaccinated and the lack of vaccine supply is yet to be resolved by the end of 2021. An outbreak of the Delta strain in Sydney mid-June has plunged the city back into lockdown after months of enjoying normal life with very few public restrictions. Meanwhile, in New York City, where over 70% of the population have been inoculated, cases have jumped by almost a third in a week, mostly from neighborhoods with the lowest vaccine rates. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services announced in their official Facebook page that they're working to ensure to everyone in the country gets a free vaccine regardless of insurance status. Back to you, Mariel.
Thank you, Joselito Liquido, for those updates.